stripped down, bro.
That's right. Already got the headlight off. They already got the front of the boiler off. They already got everything coming apart here. There's the cab right there. There's the big old saddle tank. There's the 3 domes. The bigger dome goes over the steam dome.
How many rivets in this thing?
How many rivets are in it?
A lot.
Oh, you don't know how many?
I can't count that high.
There's...
He got counting when he got to 900. That's right.
Huh.
He said he could only count as much money as he had in his pocket. That's highly account. Don't you believe Mr. David on that? He got to 900, he said, that's all the money I got in my pocket right now.
Man.
Bro, if I count like that, it'd be like $18. That guy probably just come up. I don't want to say nothing nasty. I'm nasty, no way.
Uh-huh.
He had to go home, bro.
Man.
They worked no keep there.
That's where they put the ladder.
Always here, really? I gotta find them because I always talking. Everyone is here going. They're about that far. There's 4. You might say 2 in every edge. There's quite a few people over there. Well, yeah, this is going slow.
Alrighty guys, so here's the cab of the locomotive. This is the little string right here that connects to the bell. There's the string that connects to the whistle. Alrighty guys, and this big old tank right here is called the saddle tank. This is what stores the extra water that we use in this locomotive and that we use to keep some of the extra water in. This tank right here holds about 750 gallons of water. And the steam boiler that you just saw a while ago, the guys are working on it, holds about 250 gallons of water. But it holds 450 flooded. There's the smoke box door, and plus the smokestack. And there's the little fenders that go on the side of the saddle tank, which, as you can see, are removed.